Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And the unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, maybe you want to sell it, give it away, anything that will require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account as well. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch, we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you need to tap on the device icon to open the device page. And here on the device page, scroll down and look for the Unpair option. And once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Unpair button again, and then tap on Unpair. As you can see, the watch reset itself to the factory default settings. For some reason, it still didn't go further in the app. But basically, it should remove the watch from the application itself. And then after that, you can go to the Bluetooth settings just in case on your phone and check if the watch is right here. If you see it right here on the list, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget and Forget Device. And then everything should be done. And this should go further. For some reason it's stuck, so I'm just gonna close the application, but for you it just should go further to the device page and it should be empty basically. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.